Now I'm gonna go ahead and do my self-care part. Hey guys, so we just got back from basketball. I am sweaty because me and my boyfriend played basketball, but today I'm gonna walk you guys through a whole Sunday self-care routine, pretty much how I reset for the week, how I clean the house, how I meal prep. I'm gonna show you guys all of that. So if you guys are interested in this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so we can hit 500 community members, because our family's almost to 500. But don't forget to subscribe and keep watching. First thing I'm gonna do is clean the kitchen and organize. So that is what the kitchen looks like right now. All the dishes are right there, so I'm gonna put those away because my boyfriend says that I never put the dishes away. And then I'm gonna clean the kitchen. I'm gonna organize some of my protein bars. So I got some like meal prep containers. So you guys are gonna see those new ones. So let me show you guys how I organize this. I got this container from Family Dollar. I'm gonna put all my protein bars in here so that way I have them organized. I wanna try to ignore the burrito in the back. I'm gonna try to stack them up in here because I always need protein bars, so that way I can have them on hand whenever I need something sweet. So let me know in the comments what protein bars you guys get, but I usually love to fill up my jar with Cliff bars or sometimes the Let and Lenny's bars. Always wash your fruit. I actually just picked up some white vinegar, so I will actually be washing my fruit, but always try to wash it or rinse it before you do eat it. So I always cook my rice first because it does take the longest, and then after that I do my veggies. I always like to do carrots or bell peppers. I like to slice the bell peppers into almost like a fajita kind of style of mix. If you guys can see, this is how they came out. And next I'm gonna go ahead and cook my veggies and then my chicken. So this is what the meal preps look like after they are done. I went ahead and added some chicken, added some pineapple, and it just fully makes a meal. It keeps me full until dinner time, and it is so yummy when you preheat it, and it is so good. Kitchen is clean and I'm done. So I just finished cleaning the house. Now I am cleaning the car, you guys. I literally have like a whole bag of trash. I had to take it out. But I will show you guys my kitchen. I pretty much just cleaned everything, swept, mopped. It's pretty easy to clean the house because our house is kind of small now, so we only have about like 2 rooms including our bedroom, so it's pretty like easy to clean it. I cleaned it like in 30 minutes, so I am gonna miss them when we move. But now I'm cleaning the car. I like to start my week by just having everything around me clean and prepared, because when I don't have my house clean or my car clean, or even like when I don't meal prep, I just don't feel prepared for the week, and then the week doesn't go as well. And I know that I can see like a noticeable difference when I actually prepare for the week, because my week goes a lot smoother. So just a tip for anybody out there, like if you're struggling with getting food on time or spending so much money I don't know, like when you go out to eat, like if you work a 9 to 5, or maybe you're a college student, because I know when I work my 9 to 5 I would spend so much money on food. So just try these tips because it might help you. But I'll show you guys now how I'm cleaning my car. I'm just cleaning like a little bit. I'm probably not going to vacuum it too much because I do want to vacuum it with like the car vacuums, but I'll show you how I clean it. I usually clean it with Clorox wipes, but I didn't have any, so I'm just going to go ahead and spray and then clean it with a rag. I am very picky because I love to have everything clean. As you guys can see, my house is clean, kitchen is clean. I cleaned the kitchen. Now I'm going to go ahead and do my self-care part. So I actually already turned my wax on, my wax spot. So I'll show you guys my wax spot and how I do my self-care routine. So I just started waxing my arms and my armpits about 2 months ago, or not 2 months ago, sorry, about 8 months ago when I moved to Arizona. But that is pretty much my self-care routine. I clean the house, do laundry, do my self-care, and really just pour back into myself. Let me know if you guys like this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, you guys.